The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a significant step forward in smartphone technology, particularly with the potential introduction of battery AI. As we approach the official launch, more details will likely emerge, providing a clearer picture of what to expect from Samsung's next flagship series. So, grab your binoculars, and let's see what new stars are twinkling into Samsung's new Galaxy. Traditionally, improvements in smartphone battery life have come from either increasing the battery's capacity or making the processor more efficient. However, software optimizations have also become a key factor in extending battery life. For the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung is rumored to be taking this a step further with the introduction of battery AI. Now the question is, what is battery AI? A tipster hinted in a private post on X that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would maintain a similar battery capacity to its predecessor, at 5000 mAh. The significant change, however, lies in the new battery AI feature. This AI-driven mode is expected to provide an additional 5–10% battery life, which, while modest, could be combined with a more efficient chipset for even better results. How could battery AI work? While the specifics of how battery AI operates were not detailed, it is likely to be an advanced version of the existing battery optimization features in Samsung's One UI. Currently, adaptive usage adjusts processor speed based on the task at hand, conserving energy when full power isn't needed. Battery AI could potentially take this further by using machine learning to understand and predict user behavior, optimizing power consumption more effectively. Battery AI is expected to be available not only in the Galaxy S25 Ultra but also in the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. However, it remains unclear whether these models will have larger battery capacities compared to their predecessors. Given Samsung's heavy investment in AI technologies, as evidenced by the AI features in the Galaxy S24 series, the incorporation of battery AI seems plausible. As the Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to launch in early 2025, more information is expected to emerge, shedding light on how battery AI will function and its real-world impact on battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is poised to introduce a host of next-generation features that promise to elevate the user experience significantly. Central to its performance will be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which is expected to deliver substantial improvements in both speed and efficiency. Camera advancements are also on the horizon, with rumors suggesting the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor and upgraded lenses offering variable capabilities. Display enhancements are likely as well, with the Ultra model potentially featuring a screen size close to 6.9 inches, while the base model may increase to 6.36 inches, providing a more immersive viewing experience. In terms of storage and memory, the base Galaxy S25 might retain 8 GB of RAM, but users can anticipate faster storage speeds thanks to the integration of UFS 4.0 4-lane CS technology, ensuring quicker data access and smoother multitasking. These anticipated features collectively position the Galaxy S25 series as a formidable contender in the premium smartphone market. Significant improvements in camera technology are expected. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus might move away from Samsung's GN3 sensor in favor of a Sony-made sensor. The Ultra model could feature a quad camera setup with a 200MP main camera and an enhanced 50MP sensor for ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. The Galaxy S25 series might see some design changes, particularly in the Ultra model. Leaks suggest a potential alteration to the frame and bezels, and the possible introduction of new design elements to make the Galaxy brand feel fresh. The use of titanium, as seen in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is likely to continue, though it may not be the highest grade titanium available. While the battery capacity might remain at 5000 mAh for the Ultra model, the use of stack technology could improve energy density by 10%, allowing for a more efficient battery in a smaller volume. Charging speeds might remain at 45W, although there were initial rumors of 65W stacked battery technology, which might be reserved for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The integration of AI features continues to be a focal point. Samsung might include an AI accelerator built by Google in the Exynos 2500 processor, aligning with the company's plan to enhance on-device AI capabilities. Samsung typically releases its Galaxy S series phones at the beginning of the year. Based on previous patterns, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to launch between January and March 2025. Pricing is likely to remain consistent with the current models, starting at $799 for the base model, $999 for the Plus, and $1,299 for the Ultra. That wraps up our discussion on the rumored Samsung Galaxy S25. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments section below.